to go down into Dallas to meet one of my friends that lives in Uptown, and we're gonna go for a walk with her and her roommate and her little doggy. My outfit, wearing my Aviator Nation hat, SoulCycle sports bra, Lululemon biker shorts, and of course, Ultra Boost. We're just walking on Katy Trail with Sarah, who is Brecken's roommate that I work with. And we're just walking with Goofy, just smelling everything. And then I think we're gonna go to the pool later and probably get bagels. But just walking, getting our steps in.
366.
It's like mozzarella and pesto.
That looks really good. I got Shug's bagels, and I got a blueberry hash brown, egg, and sausage biscuit bagel. And Brecken got...
I got the pesto chicken bagel on poppy seed.
And then Sarah got everything bagel with egg, cheese, sausage, avocado, and tomato. So good. Sarah just threw away Brecken's Invisalign and had to go dig it out of the trash.
They're right here though. I shouldn't have done that.
We got it.
Security.
Oh my god. I think I'm gonna get this Zara dress, like a cover up, and then this long dress, kind of be like that with the spaghetti straps. I don't know. We'll see. And then this striped shirt, tuck in front, be a little oversized. You don't have a small, but I think a medium would be cute too. Just got to happiest hour with Dylan. Got off work and came and picked me up. And now we're having dinner and drinks. Got a basically ranch water. Still got a beer. I'm not saying what it's called.
No, what's it called?
No.
You gotta say.
It's called a horny water.
Horny water. Ah.
But it's basically just ranch water. Good morning.
What are we doing?
Off to play tennis. It's too early for Dylan, but off to tennis. Oh wait, my outfit. Lululemon tank top, Lululemon skirt, and Hoka's. Post-tennis smoothie / breakfast with some spinach, frozen mango, banana, some of this Fit with Cambry Glowing Goddess like greens powder, and her vanilla protein powder, and some hemp seeds. We're out at the pool now. It's now like 1:30, and at 1 o'clock it got super sunny, so might as well take advantage of the sun and get our tan on, especially because we leave for Florida in a week. We're gonna be there the whole week of the 4th of July. But our friend Jacob is coming over too. Dylan just went to go let him into our parking garage. And we're just gonna chill, relax, and go to dinner later too at Bowen House. I've heard a lot about it, and it looks really good. So I'm excited to try it out later. About to head out to dinner to go to Bowen House. I am wearing this shirt that I got yesterday from Zara, and my little Chanel bag, some blue jean shorts from Abercrombie, and my teaks, and then Dill.
What? You go and Dill.
And Dill in a normal dude fit.
Dill looks good.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah,
but I'm gonna go try Bowen House. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a like and subscribe down below if you liked it, and also check out my other vlogs. We had such a fun time this weekend. Next week, we're leaving for Florida with my family for a whole week-long trip, the week of the 4th. So I'll be filming that and upload that vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.